I'll guide you through setting up Cash App Direct Deposit without waiting days for your paycheck to clear the bank. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before you proceed with setting up Cash App Direct Deposit, first ensure you have a cash card ordered and activated. This is the mandatory key to unlocking your direct deposit feature. Open the Cash App app, tap the Money tab icon to access your balance details. Locate and tap on your account and routing numbers, which you'll provide to your payroll service.
Tap Direct Deposit to access the options. Tap the Fill out a form option. For the fastest setup, tap the Create New Form to generate a custom document. Read the information, then tap Continue. Enter your employer's name, then tap Continue. For the deposit amount, select either full paycheck, a percentage, or enter an amount. Tap Next to provide your digital signature to finalize the document. When ready, tap Email Form to share the finished form directly with your payroll department via email.
Alternatively, you can manually share your numbers.
Return to the Account and Routing Number page. Copy your unique account and routing number. Go to your employer's online payroll portal and input these numbers directly. If prompted, always select the account type as checking for Cash App deposits.
Remember, the bank name for your payroll forms is Sutton Bank. While the setup is now complete, be patient. Payroll departments typically take 1 to 3 pay cycles to implement the change. Once activated, you will receive deposits up to 2 days early. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.